I would like to introduce you to Coda, the first pillar of our Weldall offering, where we create code. Let's go to their website real quick. It's an open source software. You can order it and buy it through them as well, but that's not necessary. So we've installed this already. It's an open source software. You can install this on your own as well. To give you an idea, Coda is a possibility to start coding with a simple web interface. For our offering, this is just an intermediary solution for people who cannot yet install software on their machines. A lot of our customers are, for example, high-level managers, and they are not allowed by IT to freely install software. And they're also shy to introduce risk to their own machines and their own computer daily usage. At the same time, they want to learn how to create code with AI. And that's what we offer to teach them. And Coda is an interface to do that. So you only need a web interface. And then there are so-called workspaces. And we've created a template for vibe coding. And then you can create your own instance of this template. And mine is called Seibert's machine. And on the upper right-hand side, you can see how fast your internet connection is. Whenever I hit reload, there's going to be a different millisecond number here. And then I can go to my machine, and we ignore the first one. So we use the code server and the terminal. If we open the terminal in the beginning, we use this to check if we are logged into Claude Code. And if this is not the case, we can redo that. And then basically, we always work within Visual Studio Code on the web. So I do have a web-based version of Microsoft's free software Visual Studio Code. And it shows me all of the directories that I have. And I also have a terminal. I can start Claude here as well and say, please create a dashboard in HTML in the directory test. And that's one of the beauties of web-based software. You may have to do some things like this. Oh, it's creating a new. Here we go with the hallucinations. I did have a test directory already. It's creating a new one. No problem. And this is already the end of my presentation. We don't really care about how beautiful the HTML page will be, because this is now working with AI. And we're using this as our first pillar in a 3-step session. Here we go. So we create code, then we push it to Git, then we host it on a machine later, and coding is done with Coda. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more, contact us or check out Coda yourself. It's free, it's open source. Enjoy.